Hi everyone, it's Lorelei from Wedding Cakes for You. In this cake decorating video, you will see a fun drip cake loaded with cookies, chocolate dipped strawberries, fresh raspberries, and candied lemon slices topped with glitter. This is Italian meringue buttercream, which can be used for everything from frosting to piping. I love this frosting. You can get your free copy of my top 5 buttercream recipes and your buttercream questions answered at weddingcakesforyou.com. The link is in the video and also below the video for you. Wedding Cakes for You website, books, and video provide aspiring bakers with the recipes and steps for building skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and cherished memories. Thanks for watching and have a great day. I'll see you in the next video.